গর্ধবের মতো আমি করি পরিশ্রম, কার লাগে অত করে না গুছিলাম, like an ass, toiling hard, day and night. For what purpose? Huh? Like an ass. Ass is an animal of very low consciousness. He doesn't know anything. He knows his body only. He toils very hard, carries very heavy load, gets lashes from his master, pushing. For what purpose? Two purpose. Only a bundle to get bundle of grass to eat and fill the belly, and to do sex, to run after seers. Do you understand? For sex, and seers with her hind legs will kick, 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 still breathing. Gardhava padotarito. Only for two purposes, toiling so hard. Us and you are all are toiling hard for these purposes only. It's us consciousness, not human consciousness, God consciousness, Krishna consciousness.